Hey guys, today I've got a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set, and I've got it, you can see beyond the lights there. I've got it going heavy duty load, towels, even though there's towels, jeans, shirts, that kind of thing. Pretty heavy load in there, so it's on the sensing portion right now. It's gonna get started adding the water and getting everything balanced, and otherwise, excellent condition. And we're going to let it run through the cycle. I'm going to show you that, of course, it's filling up with water right now and sensing the load, drains the water out, and it's got a nice, fast, final spin cycle. Then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer's working perfect. As if you were standing here testing it out yourself, running a load through it. That's kind of the purpose of this. So we'll let it get started and we'll check back here. All right, it is still in that sensing mode, but it's gone ahead and kicked on the agitation, which if you can see here, I've got it set on the deep water function, so it's still filling up, and it will get to just about full submersion on those clothes, which will get them nice and clean. And then it'll move through the rest of that cycle. But I wanted you to get a second there to hear the strong agitation that it has. All right, and now it's draining out the water, and if you can hear it there. Draining out nice and fast. Probably can't see it, but perfect. Now you know that drain works perfectly. All right, we're into the final spin cycle. See it spinning nice and fast with that really heavy load. It'll even spin a little bit faster towards the very end, about the 3-4 minute mark. And those clothes are going to be very light when they come out, which is great because it'll cut your drying time in half. And of course the drain will kind of cycle between on and off as it extracts the water out. So nice smooth operation there. We'll go ahead and let it finish up and switch over to the dryer. All right, so now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer, and we've got it set on cottons, which is more or less just a normal high heat, high dryness level, heavy duty, and it's all set on auto. It's also got the timer that's going to count down here. You can see here that it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. Then I'm going to show you with my heat gun here that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, if you can see them there, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement in Fahrenheit there. Whatever I shine it on gives me a little different temperature here. We can shine it on the floor and you can see a little different there in the machine. So we'll go ahead and open this up. You see the lights on. We'll shine it right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming in, if I can get that to focus a little better. But you can see that nice full load of clothes there. There we go. And the heat coming out of that tube right there heats up the inside of the dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195, just depends on what you have that heat setting at. But as you can see, there's plenty of heat coming out where the heating element is down below. It's on the inside of the machine. So close that up. You hold to start. Right back at it. So we'll let that finish up. I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.